So guys, it's good now. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if we are missing any section. So this section is created, this section is created, this section is created, uh, this section is created. In this section, the transformation section, uh, which we have the steps section, this should also have one more text. So let's put that text as well. All right. So that's an option, like if so we can go to the steps section. We can go to the steps section. So steps, and let's see, let's create a, we have this inline rich text under settings. So we will add subtitle, or maybe not subtitle, but I think so it should be some text. So I can name it as subtitle title, and it should be subtitle. The label would be enter sub, no, the label would be subtitle. All right, so we have this subtitle, and now we should have this over here, right? So below this, not this, not this, so not this, over here. So section settings, below this we should have a subtitle. All right, so we will first of all check okay, we will also check percentage unless section dot settings dot subtitle is equal to blank. Like that means this condition would not work, and if the title is blank. Okay, so we have this section dot setting dot title, then we can write it in p tag, or maybe a div class equal to RTE, any class we can give, but I'm just giving it an RTE class, and then section dot setting dot title. Okay, we have this subtitle, and they are all inline, and that's a problem. We don't need them to be inline. So let's make it a P, because I think so it would be relevant if we just include this in a P P tag. Now let's check. Go to the home page. We have the subtitle, and This is not good. We will wrap it in the p tag, because this p tag would be now, let's see, I think so. This is flex. Just because this is flex, it's not showing it. So what we'll do is we will cut this, and we'll go after this div, and then we'll put our p tag. Okay, so this way it's kind of I'll just use the same text thing, and close this div, save it, and check now. Perfect, I've got it. So we can add some pair of text over here, and that can be inserted over here. We have the text coming up over here, and that's good. That's good, right? And even this testimonials thing, let's see what we have in the testimonial section. Okay, one thing which I believe I didn't work on yet is let's add some collections, 3 collections for now. Let's create a collection called let's see what collection they have. So complete reset bundles, okay, 40-day gut program, something like that. Beauty, maybe something related to what they have. So maybe boom, let's see if shop by collection, shop sticks, makeup, skin. Let's add these 3. Skin, skin, and then we add image for skin, and that image would be from over here, because we're not going to use our own image. Save image, JPEG, and I'm just gonna use the downloaded in desktop, and this image, save it, go back and create another collection called makeup, and again add an image, and makeup is done, and then here create another collection here, and add image, and then create another collection. I don't know, I'm not sure, because I don't have knowledge about beauty product, but maybe sticks, and let's add this. Okay, perfect. We are going to try with these 4 things. Now if we go to home page and we scroll down, here I want the collection image to pop up. Okay, so that's not doing at the moment, but we are going to make it too. So collection list, we don't need the home page collection, we need to change the collection over here, and that would be here. We have that image coming up, perfect. And then we have another collection, makeup. We then have another collection called skin, and we select that and then save it. Collection list, and we did a setting for that, standard card. Okay, that's okay. We did some setting for collection cards, text alignment center. Okay, perfect. So we have something like this, product categories, and the text is below. That's okay for me, for now. For now it's okay, because we are going to change the collection later on. So this text I need centered. So let's see if we have an option over here in this section. No, we don't have the option. What we are going to do is we are going to create an option in collections. We are going to create an option for collections. Is it collection list? Yes, I think so. This is collection. No, feature. No, it is called main list collections. That's the section. Yes. Okay, it's different pagination, and we have a collection list, and does it have pagination? No, it doesn't have pagination. That means that we are on the right section. Okay, so now in this, what we'll do is we will because at the moment what we see over here is product categories, so we need to make it centered. So this title will add a setting over here, and we can get that setting from one of our like column alignment, something like that. So we can copy this and we can put it somewhere here, somewhere here. So this thing now we can use uh, up in the title. So over here, so we'll put a condition. We'll put a class actually. So control Z. So if section dot settings dot dot column alignment title equal to center, right? Then we add percentage and if then what we'll do is we'll add a center class, right? And there is no else condition. We can either do left alignment, center alignment, that's it. So we don't need the right alignment. So let's see now if we have that thing covered up over here. So we have this collection. Now we can make it centered, but the centered thing would not work at the moment, because if I keep it left, okay, if I keep it centered, let's see what happens. Because just see the way these are assigned. So inline text centered, and they have this whole thing, and the way a collection grid shows. So I have done it over here. Instead I should have done it not over here. But I think so it should have been done over here. Yeah, so it's correct now, and it doesn't change anything. Now people can even do it left align or center align based upon their requirements, right? So that's a good thing which we can implement in the theme itself, all right? So we are covering up a lot of things using Dawn theme itself, and most of the things are custom over here, and yeah, we are trying to reuse some of the blocks which are being provided uh, by Dawn theme. Okay, so yeah, okay, now let's see what we have other steps. So this product categories is good thing, but it is giving a premium look now. Like it doesn't look uh, a theme like Dawn, look like Dawn theme now. But you see, if I hover over this and there is an underline thing, this is kind of making me think that it's kind of like if I hover over it, if I hover over this, so we have this text decoration underline. We have to remove that text decoration. Wait, so we'll have to remove this. So we see there is a text decoration underline. We'll remove this actually. Instead what we'll do is we'll change the color should be kind of uh, opacity maybe change to 0.9 or 0.8, something like that, like 0.5, something like that, instead of this underline thing, because this is this doesn't look actually good. So we go to assets and go to base.css and Control F. We find this over and we found this, and I'll remove this text decoration underline. Okay, and also remove this, add this opacity, and let's see how it looks. So now it's looking pretty good, and let's see for the footer part. I'm gonna do the same for the footer part. Okay, so if I hover over it, so I see this text decoration underline, that is under section footer. So we'll go to section footer. .css, and wherever I find text decoration underline, yeah, I found it over here. Text decoration underline, line number 357, and I removed it and added this opacity equal to 5. Okay, so this should work now fine. This is looking good. Okay, things are looking good, better. And let's check by going to the product page. For example, I went to a product page, maybe I go to shop all page, and then what I see is this part being removed, and that's an error which we need to fix, because this is an active icon, and is it an active icon? So let's see why the color is transparent. Okay, so active menu item should be black. You see, two items are gone because they are of the same collection. Okay, so I'll make it black, and text decoration underline I'll remove. Okay, and that should be from base CSS. I'll remove text decoration underline, and the color for this would be black. The color would be right. So, and the opacity 0.5, I guess, whatever I put, embedded there. So yeah, let's check. So we both have okay, So now they, if I hover over them, I see they are actually doing something funny. Over, I hovered over them, and the color of the menu item is RGB white, and that is wrong. That is not. So we can change that from over color, because we have to change it to black 000. Okay, and that can be changed as per the requirements only. Okay, so these are good. This should also be good now. Good. Okay, we didn't work on the collection page, but we are going to work on the collection page actually, so that's okay. Okay, so we have created almost every section, almost there, but it's not complete yet. uh, let's go to the product page. We have to create this section. Benefits is okay, the benefits section. Let's see. uh, Products, and then we go to default products, and under benefits. So we don't have a title for this multi-column, I guess. This multi-row. Multi-row, we don't have a title, so we'll create a title thing, so that we do have a title for that, right? So let's go to the multi-row thing. Okay, I'm checking the assets. I should be checking multi-row, and in multi-row we'll add a, you know, something very similar to what we have in steps. So under settings we have this multi-row thing, and we'll just copy this whole stuff, and put it in multi-row as well. So and save it. If it doesn't, heading size is already taken. Okay, heading size, will remove the heading size thing, so it's already taken, then we'll not use that. Okay, other than that everything is there. We have multi-column steps. So steps, in steps we used this thing. Okay, so we will use the whole thing and same as it is, right? So we'll use this, and then we can use it up here. Okay, and I think so it should be within the page limits, so we have to even add this. Okay, and yeah, I'll close the div over here. Okay, let's see how it looks. So with that added, we do have an option here to add things. So multi-row, we have this, and we can make it centered, perfect. And what was the name? It's called benefits. 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 Okay, and these can be actually coming from like they can come from the meta field also, like if you want, that can be dynamic for particular product, all products. So I'm making in that way only, so that you can make it dynamic. So just put this. Oh, shit, what did it? Copy this and then I'll paste this. Okay, this way it's far more better. Okay, and even for this, and make it centered, align. And what is the name of the section? Features. One thing which I don't personally like is like it's spanning till the end, but we'll figure that out based on whatever uh, I get like feedback from the client. So let's see. Benefits, we have the benefits thing, and yeah, looking good. Everything is looking good. Perfect. Did we miss anything in this section? I think so we missed this section, which we are, so this we might call it as uh, payment icons section, probably, what's included, etc. That's this is social proof. We need to make this as a carousel again. We are going to make that as a carousel, but we need this payment icon. So buy now, I think so this comparison thing, there is a buy now button over here always, right? Something like that. So explore by series. Okay, so let's see what they have in here. They have this. They have reviews. They did not mention anything about reviews, which is more important, I guess. This website is buggy actually. You see, I try to click. Okay, now it's coming up. I go to monthly supplement, and then I see the description, etc. program coming up. Okay, this is good. What's inside is good. See, the color combination they have used is perfect actually. So that's why the website is looking good. That should be the prime focus while creating the website. The color combination is the prime factor which makes uh, a website look better, or or worse. So it can be anything. So it can be the better, and it can be either worse. Okay, so you have to decide which side you are in. All right, so I don't like this image thing, not this one, but the image comparison table image. I don't like the image because uh, it's not working properly. So I'll have to fix this, because this is not a good section. Like, this is not totally customizable. Even I'll have to create a customization for this. So I'll have to figure out what can be done in this comparison table. So what we can do is, in the comparison table, we will put number of rows like this: 1, 2, 3. So these rows would be coming up in the main settings. So that can be decided by the client itself, like by the person who is developing it, not developing, but who is going to add things. So I'll give 3 options, and then with that, it should be uh, like, I'll create a standalone section also without this image, because with this image, it's not giving me more options, but a standalone section would be way much better, I guess, right? So I'll create that as well, so that if someone in future needs this table, and is wondering if he or she can get the designs, so I'll create that as well. So don't worry about that. So let's create so I'll be creating this part now. All right.